hurry up.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going through the car wash and surprisingly, car wash of doom, and we're next up in line.
Look. That's where we go in, and that's where we get eaten from. It eats us through the mouth, and it farts us out the butthole. Okay, so today is me, Saki, Ryan.
That's the guest, the special
Josh is right there. Shame. Hey, Josh.
All right, we're going in, guys.
Oh my gosh. Hey, that's Sammy. Okay, we're going in. Hey, Josh. Right here.
No, we want to be able to
Back up. You have to go back up.
Let's go.
Here we go, boys. It's
It's on, guys.
Wow. Whoa, that's so cool.
I love car washers.
Oh, great. Whoa. Put your head against the floor, up against the windows, guys.
Don't.
Put your face close. Guys, it's about to go through. That feels so weird. No, that's so cool.
I don't know why the flash is on.
I don't know why, but I love car washes. Yeah, why does the flash on?
It's going to get stuck in the face.
I know, doesn't it feel weird today? Oh my God. Like, no, with your hand.
All right, we're going into the second part right now.
The second part. Yeah! Car wash! Car wash! We do a car wash. Guys, let's make a car wash.
so.
Guys, let's make a car wash song.
Wait, the thing going across the front.
We gotta make a car wash song. We're in car wash. The car wash. Oh, we're in. We got the big boulder. The car wash. The car wash. We're driving in car wash. Car wash. Oh, car wash. That's really loud. I don't like that. Car wash.
Guys, you can hardly hear us. We're getting blacked out. We're getting blacked out. We can't even
This
see
is
you.
falling. It feels so weird.
Oh, it's gone. Yay.
Yay, back to reality. No more doomsday.
Stop. Okay, it's about to come at us.
It's about to come out. Wait, we haven't got the foam thing yet. Because you got the Supreme one, right?
Yeah.
So we got everything.
Your mom, this one's the extra long one.
It's peeing on us. Ew.
Thinky. Guys, we bought the Supreme pack, so
Supreme Chungus beans. Supreme Thanos Chungus beans. Yeah.
so bad.
I want to touch that, but is it on slow-mo? It's on slow-mo. It is. Oh, never mind, boys. Foam! Yay!
It's
This is the wax.
wax.
We've never done the wax before.
Really? Because we've never bought the Supreme.
Right, put it on, put it like on the window. Put it on the
No,
window.
we can't have it. What if that guy doesn't want to be on it?
Do you smell it? No.
Oh, guys, it smells so good.
I don't smell it. Oh yeah, I smell it. Ah, it's peeing on us again. Oh no.
Oh, it's being on us. Mom, your car is amazing now. It's not done yet, Josh. It's not even close.
Whoa. Blue light. I thought it was red light, green light, not blue light.
Whoa, wait, where's that coming from?
Whoa. What is it doing?
Our whole car is turning.
That's so cool.
It's going on the top of the car.
Well, no, where else would it go? The bottom of it? Actually, yeah, that does work. That is where it goes to the end.
What?
Bye, water.
Oh, it was the light up there that was making it up at the top.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh.
the light up there. We're going back across.
Beep.
Am I going to try to open the window a little bit? for
Yeah,
a second,
please.
and you closed it.
Pretty, please.
Touch it. It's locked.
Open the
No, I mean
window.
you like to
Open the window. Open the window. Please.
We can't. It's locked. Just
The window?
Do you smell it, Mom?
No, I smell it.
I can smell it a little.
It smells good.
Yeah.
Go.
It smells like air freshener. Go.
No, it's all done. No, we're all.
No, take your time in this.
Keep going.
Ooh, it's the vacuum. Ah, it's scary. Grandma's vacuum. it's Grandma's vacuum. Oh no, I'm scared of vacuums. Just kidding. The lights. Look, it's like a big. Stop it! Oh, I see it.
We still have 30 seconds, guys.
Mom, you're only a quarter of the way. So that was the car wash of doom. That was the car wash of doom for you. It was really fun. What do you guys think of the car wash of doom?
Comment down below what you think of the car wash of doom.
Yeah, Josh and Josh and Sammy. What did you guys think of the car wash of doom?
10 of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay. All right, now.
You said 10 out of 100. Sammy,
Alright.
what do you think?
100.
A million.
It was awesome.
And mine's a bazillion out of 10.
Okay,
So
but anyway, so
you guys comment down below what you
What
guys
billion
think
out of 10?
out of 10.
10
out of
is the best, 1 is the worst. I want you to do 10 if you think it's good, 1 if you think it's bad, and 5 if you think it's okay. But okay, so that's it for today. That was Baseball Beast 3, and I want you to like the video, share, and subscribe to Baseball Beast 3. If you don't subscribe to Baseball Beast 3, that I will throw this book at you, and it will hurt.
You have to the count of 3 to subscribe to Baseball Beast 3 or else.
This
1,
book will eat you.
2, 3.
What's that?
Bye guys. See you next time.
Bye. Subscribe.